Hello friends, so we will solve next example of network function. So I am solving one different kind of example. See here, evaluate amplitude and phase of the network function f of s equal to 4s upon s square plus 2s2 from the pole 0 plot at s equal to 2j. This is a very important point. Okay. Now let's see, we are given with the function. So first of all, let's find its root. F of s equal to 4s upon, if I find out root of this equation, then it will be s plus 1 plus j1, s plus 1 minus j1. Okay. Now we will have a pole 0 plot of it. In pole 0 plot, we will see that 0 is at 0. Okay, and poles are at, we can say that s plus 1 plus j1, no, so minus 1 plus j1 minus 1 minus j1, right? This is the pole 0 plot. Now try to understand, here we have one new concept. We have to evaluate amplitude and phase of the network function. For this function, we have to find out amplitude and phase at s equal to 2j. This is another pole given, and they have asked us to find out amplitude and phase at this particular point, s equal to 2j. So now how to solve it? See here, mod of f2j equal to product of phasor magnitude from all zeros to 2j. Okay, similarly what we have seen earlier, we will take a product of all phasor from 0 to 2j, and at the same time product of phasor magnitude from all poles to 2j. Okay, the separate pole is given and we have asked for particular that point only. Previously what we used to do, we used to do for it each and every particular pole, right? So here we will find it out for 2j only. So here what we have to do, we have to calculate it for magnitude separately and for angle separately. Now as I said, product of phasor magnitude, this is the new point. So see, zeros, from zeros we will take numerator, from poles we will take in a denominator. So only one zero is there. So what is the magnitude of this phasor from 0 to this point 2j, if you can see. So it is 1 plus 1, that is a 2, right? So in numerator I will take 2, angle will not be taken, this is only for magnitude. And then from these two poles to this, so I will draw a phasor from this pole to 2j. This is 1, this is 1, so this is root 2 product of phasor. So another, from here I will take phasor and I can see this is 1, this is 1, 2 means 3. Okay, so 3 square 9 plus 1 square 110 under root 10. Okay, and if you calculate, you will get it 0.447. This is for a magnitude. Now let's see for this for amplitude, and let's see for a phase. Now to find phase, we know that we can find it by tan y by x, theta equal to tan y by x, if you remember, right? So I can, in same context, for distance from 0 to particular point will be taken positive and from poles will be taken negative. So I can find out tan inverse of y by x, no? So what is for this particular 0 to this point, y is 2, x distance is 0, so 0 minus tan inverse of, now let's take for this point, or we'll see, we can go, we'll go as like in a book. So for this particular point, y distance is 3, x distance is a 1, so I will take 3 by 1 minus tan inverse for this particular pole, y distance is 1, x distance is a 1, 1 by 1. Now you can simply put it in a calculator and you will get answer, which is a minus 26.56 degree. So see what was asked, evaluate amplitude and phase. So I have find out amplitude here and phase here. Okay, so it is completed. This is how we can solve for different examples. If you want, I can give one more example. I will directly write down the example. F of s equal to s plus 1, s plus 3 and s plus 2. Okay, these are all examples are from book Ravi Singh, Electrical Network, and they have asked amplitude and phase at J4. So here we'll, let's see, zeros are at 1 and minus 3. 1, this is 2, this is 3, minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 3. Poles are at 0 and minus 2. So 0 and minus 2 alternate, and we have to calculate it at J4. Okay, so we have to draw phasor from all the zeros and pole to that point, and we have to find out distance. As I said, this is 4, this is 1, right? So this is under root 17, 4, and this is 2, and I guess under root 20, and this is 4 and this is 3, so 16 plus 9, 25. So I can directly write this 5. I have got the distance. Okay, so directly I can write as a, on above context, in fast I will write down it as a, for in numerator form from zeros and in denominator from poles. So from this particular 0 and this particular 0, so this is 5, this is root 7, so 5 into root 7 product. In denominator from poles, so it is 4 and this is root 2, root 20, sorry. So 4 and root 20. If you solve it, you will get 1.15. Okay. Similarly, for phase also you can find out for this particular 0, pole 0, pole 0. So I will write it as a phi of omega equal to tan inverse of, for this is this particular point, I can say 4 by 0. For this particular point we will see it is 4 by 1, right? 4 by 1, because as I said, for zeros we will take positive, so a positive is there, so 4 by 1 plus, for this 0 it is tan inverse of 4 by 3. Then for poles we will take minus tan inverse of 4 by 0 and minus tan inverse of 4 by 2. So if you solve this, you will get answer as a minus 24.34 degree. Okay, so this is how we have to solve this example. One more different type of example is there in this particular chapter. So let's see it. See, plot amplitude and phase response for f of s equal to s upon s plus 10, s upon s plus 10. Okay, so how to solve it? Amplitude response, it has been asked for, plot amplitude response. Okay, so I can write it as a f of j omega, I will replace all s with j omega, equal to j omega upon j omega plus 10, right. I have to take mod of this because we used to take mod, no. So f of j omega, so here it will become omega, here it will become under root this omega square plus 10 square, no need of no any point of minus sign there, we are taking mod. Okay, so we'll design a table here, omega and mod of f j omega. Different value of omega is 0, 10, 100, 1000. Okay, you can take any value, I am taking this. When I put omega 0, obvious value will be 0. When I put omega 10, here it will become 100 plus 100 under root 200, 100 divided by under root 200. You solve it, you will get 0.707. When I put 100 here, so here 100 square, here 100, so you solve it, you can put in a calculator, you will get 995, 0.995, and here you will get 1. Okay, so now try to plot it. 10, 100, 1000, and here in this particular side I can write 0, then 0.707 here, 0.707, then 0.995 and 1. So here is the point, here is the point, less because 995 and 1, no.